Well, good morning. Had a lot of questions and emails about what does my day consist of. Well, I guess that depends on the day, but if you want to take a typical Saturday or a Sunday or a day off, I usually get up first thing and get the old Nissan going, if it'll run. Go wander around, check out my critters, go down and water the mules and feed the mules, and check on the chickens, usually in the evening, gather the eggs, make sure they got feed and water, all the stuff that keeps me grounded. Don't call it routine, but it kind of turns into a daily routine. So this afternoon, I guess we're gonna probably go on a mule ride, get them out of the pasture and go enjoy this beautiful southern Utah weather. But nothing too spectacular, just a normal, I guess I shouldn't call it normal because that's probably not, but I live a pretty blessed life, I guess you could say. There's always the things in life that get you dragged down, but we have good friends and family and plenty of work and plenty of opportunity to do the things that we love. We are on the road again. It's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're going out to Sand Hollow State Park for a BMW that slid off the side of the road a little bit. Probably get them gathered back up out of there. See where we end up with them. Might have some damage. We'll have to drop them off at a repair shop. See what they can do to get it all fixed up and get headed for home, but we will take you along for the ride. Document the damage. Shackles on the seat up there. No, I'm just going to have you just put a little tension on me, Dave. I'm not going to have you pull me very hard. Yeah, so. And just, we'll go right around that tow truck, and then I'll just turn it and get behind the tow truck. You with me?
wasn't too bad. I was able to get the old rollback snuck down in there close. It's a little bit soft, so easy on the throttle. We got that thing pulled around there with the chair yoke. Was able to get it back up on the rollback. I'm gonna take it back to the shop. She wants us to work it over, see what we can do to get her back on the road. You never know what you're gonna come across out here, and so it was good to have Shelby and the Cherokee to back me up, help me get that thing off that hill instead of dragging it up over and cantilevering it. I thought it was easier to take it out the bottom. I've been down in that hole a time or two getting buggies out, so I figured I'd be all right in the rollback, and was able to drive in there and have Shelby hook on the Cherokee, drag us back down around the rollback, and then scoop it up. Thanks for coming along for the ride.